Welcome to watch today's Fresham. A small space like a ship in the sky. Architect Pauline Borgia invites us to visit the new living space of a couple with children. The key features are wood, stainless steel, and light, lots of light. By completely opening the whole building, architect Pauline Borgia benefits from 12 linear meters of glass facade, overlooking Paris, with an unobstructed view of the sky. Because the challenge is to multiply the functions in a reduced space in order to obtain a large living space including a living room, a dining room and an open kitchen, a night space with 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, as well as additional spaces such as a laundry room, a guest toilet and a small office area.